How to do product research for Shopify Dropshipping. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to find winning products for your Shopify Dropshipping store. Now, basically, choosing the right product is key to success. In this tutorial, we'll cover proven methods, tools, and strategies to help you identify high demand, low competition products that can drive sales and maximize profits. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, before we head over to our guide right here, let's go ahead and understand the importance of product research. Now, it's essential to understand why product selection is crucial. A winning product should able to solve a problem or provide value to your customers, have a passionate audience, be in a high demand but with low competition products, and lastly, have good profit margins. And so, what does this mean? You need to have all of these traits in order to have a successful product on your hand. If one of these traits is not on your product, it will go ahead and crumple pretty easily. So let's navigate through analyzing market trends. Now with this one, you want to use Google Trends to check products seasonally and popularity over time. Now heading over to Google Trends, it's really easy to use this tool right here. Just go ahead and select your location, select the time frame, and from here you can then select the categories. Right after, we then have our popular keywords that's going on as of the moment depending on our filter. So right here, let's go ahead and say that Warriors versus Rockets is trending as of the moment, and you can just go ahead and sell a product based on the trending keywords on Google Trends right here. Now basically, you want to browse trending sections on platforms like Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. Now for the next one, you want to monitor social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to spot viral trends. And lastly, you want to explore online forums like Reddit, Quora, and niche Facebook group to identify customer needs. Now for our next category, with using product research tool. Now several tools can help you automate and refine your research. With our first tool, it's going to be EcomHunt and Niche Scraper. You can just go ahead and use one of the tools right here. This provides trending products and detailed insights for each product right here. For our next tool, it's going to be AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Basically, with this one, it helps you analyze product demands and sales for your products. For the next one, it's going to be Sell the Trend or Dropship Spy. It is an AI-powered tool for product discovery. Now for the next one, it's going to be Google Keywords Planner. You can find search volume for your potential product just like Google Trends right here. And lastly, you want to navigate through the Facebook ad library. You can analyze high-performing ads to identify trending products. And now, let's navigate through our next category, which is spying on our competitors. You want to visit top Shopify stores using Shopify Store Analyzer tools like myip.ms. You want to analyze competitors' ads with Facebook Ad Library and Big Spy. You can check customer reviews on AliExpress, Amazon, and Trustpilot to improve product offerings. And lastly, you want to subscribe to competitors' email list and monitor their social media strategies. And from there, we will be able to learn the do's and don'ts from their experiences on their own personal stores. And once you have found a potential product, you want to validate its demand by running a small Facebook or TikTok ad campaign to gauge engagement. You want to create a landing page or pre-order page to see interest before fully committing to a specific product or niche. Listing the product on platforms like eBay or Etsy to test sales potential. From there, we will be able to learn if this product that you have chosen is really valuable. And from there, let's just say that you're happy with your product. We then have to evaluate supplier and logistics. You want to choose reliable suppliers on AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Zendrop. You want to look for fast shipping options like e-packet or local warehouses. Now, order product samples to test quality before listing them out on your store. That is really important because you don't want to ship products that is low quality on your Shopify store because that will ruin your store's reputation. Now, pricing and profitability calculation. You want to go ahead and consider product cost, shipping fees, and ad expenses. You want to aim for a product margin of at least 30 to 50%. You can then use tools like Ali Profit or Shopify Profit Calculator to determine profitability. So in order to use these tools, it is really simple. You just want to search them on your Google or Google search engine. And from here, we want to navigate through the profit margin calculator. Now from here, you want to go ahead and enter the cost of an item. So let's go ahead and say the total cost of the item that you want to go ahead and dropship is around $15. And from here, we can then go ahead and enter our markup, which is at least 30 to 50%. Now let's go ahead and choose the middle ground, which is 40%. You can just click on the calculate profit and it will give you your sales price, the profit, and the gross margin. So from here, we will then go ahead and see the statistics right here that we can go ahead and use for our drop shipping. And let's navigate through the other categories that people will go ahead and miss out on, which is leveraging influencers and community insight. You want to partner with micro influencers on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to test product appeal. You want to use influencer marketing platforms like Upfluence or Hapsy to find creators in your niche. You want to join dropshipping and e-commerce communities on Discord, Facebook, and Reddit to discover trending products from experienced sellers. And lastly, you want to monitor discussions in niche-related forums to see what potential customers are looking for. Now heading over to our next category, which is scaling and expanding your product selection. Once you have a successful product, you want to scale using Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and Google Shopping. You want to expand by finding related upsells and cross sells. And lastly, create bundles or limited time offers to increase average order value. Now, as a conclusion, product research is the foundation of a successful Shopify dropshipping business. By leveraging market trends, research tools, competitors' insights, and supplier evaluations, you can find a profitable product that converts. Now you want to keep testing, analyzing, and refining your strategy to stay ahead in the competition or competitive dropshipping market. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. As always, thank you for watching.